Hello everyone, Vauxhall Mokka 1.6 Petrol 2015 have problem with oil leak. Last advisory was as well oil leak, and let's see what's happened. On my mechanical experience, all Vauxhall Petrol after 100,000 miles have similar problems. Is rocker cover gasket oil leak, as this car is absolutely same problem. I'm already bought new gasket. This number is quite good as well, good brand as well. And now I will try to change it. If you don't know how to do it, see this video. If it will be helpful, please press like and enjoy the video. Did someone already broke this thing? Is it broken? Torx T30. Few sparks with oil. First, I think it's second and fourth. Is it from rocker gasket oil go down underneath? As well, Torx E11. On the rocker cover is 11 bolts. Make sure it's all of them loose. As well, you have to remove one pipe, briefing pipe. Here is one metal clip. For easier access, I little bit move this pipe inside, and you can find it here. This one, just with flat screwdriver you can easy remove it, but make sure it's not loose. No, I think be enough for me. Now I try to lift up whole lid and we'll see. That's it. Definitely gone. This all oily border, this will have to be all cleaned up, otherwise you get leaking again. For this job I use Scotch Brite. That's it, cleaning finish. This is more than enough. Now we have to install rocker cover. That's it. Now a little bit tidy up these channels with oil. How I do this job: take a brake cleaner, little bit fill up, take a cloth and air compressor, put here. job done. Everything in there nice and clean. Coil pack as well, clean. As well clean with compressor air and brake cleaner. Let's feed it back. As well, I forgot about pipe, breathing pipe. Here is the clip. Install first the clip in position. I don't know, you will see this or not. And after, and just press till you hear the click. That's been job done. Is the easiest way. Don't try put this metal clip after fitting the pipe. You have to first fitting the clip on a pipe and after push it in place. That's it. Anyway, it's broken, no point to keep it here. Better if fit here cable ties. I don't have with me in a moment, after when I found that I will do it, because it can lose this cable and you will see misfire on an engine. Very important to keep it very tight. Job done. Start engine, no misfire, all working fine. Hope so, no more oil leak around the cover gasket. Next step, I will clean engine underneath because few more oil there. That's it, job done. Thank you for watching and see you next video.